If you've ever struggled with saving images from Photoshop in true high resolution, whether for printing crisp posters or sharing glossy web graphics, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to save your Photoshop creations in the highest quality possible without losing pixel-perfect detail along the way. Let's dive in. The very first thing you want to check is your image's resolution. Now, high resolution doesn't just mean a big file, it's all about clarity and quality. For printing, the gold standard is 300 dpi, which stands for dots per inch. Simply put, the higher the dpi, the more detail your image will have when printed. Picture a magazine cover versus a blurry flyer. The difference is in the resolution. To check your DPI in Photoshop, go up to Image, then Image Size. Here, look for resolution. If it's anything less than 300 pixels per inch, go ahead and type in 300. And make sure the pixel dimensions are substantial, ideally in the thousands, to avoid any pixelation when the image is scaled. For web, it's a bit different. You're usually safe with 1920 by 1080 pixels, which fits most screens without stretching or compressing your work. While you're in image size, double-check your color mode. For print jobs, you'll want to use CMYK color. This is what printers understand. For anything on screens, RGB is the standard, so switch your mode accordingly under the Image Mode menu. Now, once you're set on resolution and color mode, it's time to save your masterpiece. The saving process can feel like a maze, but I'm going to walk you through the best options for both print and web. Let's say you're saving for a print job, a poster, a booklet, maybe a photo book. Head up to File and hit Save As. Here you'll see a list of formats. For top-notch print quality, choose TIFF or PDF. TIFF is a lossless format, which means every little detail in your image is preserved, no matter how many times you open and close the file. If you're going with PDF, look for the preset that says High Quality Print. This keeps your artwork looking sharp and accurate when it goes to the printer. Take a moment to double-check your settings. Don't worry if you need to pause here and reread a few options. It's worth the extra care to get perfect results. Now let's switch gears. If you're saving for the web, for a portfolio, social media, or a website, the process is a little different. Go back to File, then Export and select Save for Web Legacy. This tool gives you direct control over format and quality. Here, opt for JPEG if you need smaller file sizes, but always slide the quality to maximum to maintain crispness. If you need transparency, go with PNG 24. It's lossless, meaning it preserves the full richness of your image. Think of saving in PNG like packing delicate glassware with padding. Nothing gets broken along the way. Before clicking Save, preview the image, make sure you're happy with how the colors and sharpness appear. And there you have it. Whether you're prepping your work for gallery-quality prints or stunning web display, following these steps ensures your images come out looking just as brilliant as what you see on your screen. If any part feels confusing, don't worry. It's normal to experiment a few times until you're comfortable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. It really helps out. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want advice on file formats, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you'll never miss a new step-by-step Photoshop guide. Thanks for watching and happy creating.